Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to review this box of Johnny Lightnings. I just received this box yesterday and it's from the Muscle Cars USA Series 2020 Release 3. There you can see the case code, and as I said, I just received them yesterday. I pre-opened the box already and had a small peek inside. So let's have a look what's inside. This is a very nice release, so I'm quite looking forward to review these. So let's have a look at the first one, and that's Pontiac GTO from 1972 in Monarch Yellow, and I do like this one very much. Also this this color with the white top. It's a very nice one, this one. There you have your front. Nice rims. There you have the back side, the top, the base, and these have rubber tires, metal base. So there's the packaging. There you can see Muscle Cars USA, and the original car is on the picture. And it's limited 2,834 pieces. There you have the story. Let's have a look at the back of the packaging. There's the number. There is a chase. I don't think it's another chase from another case. And it's 2% if you find a White Lightning, a chase car. And this is the set what is in this case, these cars. So let's have a look at the next one. And that's also a very nice one. One of my favorites, a 1970 AMC Rebel Machine. And the one in case B, which I also have bought, is the one I was after. This one is in classic black. Also 2,834 pieces from this one, with the original car on the picture. There you have the whole packaging. And there you can see it's release 3. But this is a very nice car. Nice heavy piece. Great detail. Let's have a look at the back side. Top of the car. Nothing special. Base with the rubber tires. Nice piece. Next one. And there you have a Mustang, Ford Mustang, Boss 302, in a very nice grabber blue, which is a very nice color for this Ford Mustang. It's also a very nice one, this casting. Same amount, 2,834 pieces. There you have the car on the image, same car. And case B will be alternative colors, which I will show on the next case unboxing. There you have your Ford Mustang tail lights. Very nice. And the base. Great piece. Next one. And that's also a nice one. It's a Pontiac Firebird Trans Am from 1973 in Brewster green. So it's a very dark metallic green. And I don't think I have this. I have a lot of these Firebirds, but I don't think I have them in this dark green color with a different bird on the hood. It's a bit different than the other ones. There you have your front. Tail lights, back side. Top of the car. And the base with the rubber tires. So that's the car on the image. Back side of the packaging is all the same. So the next one. And that's a Corvette from 1969. A ZL1 Chevy Corvette in Monaco orange. Same amount, and the car is on the image. So a convertible Corvette. And there's the back side. And the top. And the base. So, the last one. And last but not least, it's a Dodge Dart GTS from 1969, and I really love this car. This is a very nice piece. Nice rims, nice color, light blue poly, so very light metallic blue. There you have your front of your car. This is just a very good piece of diecast. Very well done. There's your tail lights. And the base with the rubber tires. And the top of the car. With a nice white stripe on the trunk of the car. Very nice addition. So there's the art, the picture of the car, the real car. So this is my small review. I hope you liked it. Take care and hope to see you in my next video. Bye!